Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, Emily's Upcycled Home. Thank you for stopping by, and if you like my content, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. For project number 1, we are going to be working with some scrap wood pieces I found in my stash, a little frame here, a wood square, a scrap wood piece here, and a piece of a spindle. And I am going to glue these pieces together, and we are going to be creating a base for a riser. Now I'm just coming in with some regular Gorilla Wood glue and my paintbrush, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the inside with the glue, add my wood piece, and add extra glue along the edge of that. Come in with a little extra glue and fill in some of the gaps there. Now I'm going to add the same glue to our wood little square and as well as the spindle here. Then I'm going to come in with some decorative elements here, and I'm going to use the ILD Classic Elements mold. Now, I lost footage, so I apologize. The molding is already on. It's painted green, but I changed my mind, you guys, so many times on this piece. So I'm coming in now with Cathedral Taupe, and I went ahead and added this round here, and I know it's copper, and I'm painting over it, but it was really shiny. It wasn't rustic or anything. So we're going to go ahead and come in here with our Cathedral Taupe and layer that all over this piece here. And I do 2 coats on the base and on the rim. Now let me talk about, I added in the moldings here, and I added some other moldings that I didn't like. So I sanded those down as well. I distressed the piece, added dark wax, and then used that green undertone. If you don't know, I am now selling on Whatnot. It's a live auction platform. I do have my shows already scheduled ahead, so you can go over there and book my shows. For project number 2, we're upcycling this metal tray using Bedford Fusion milk paint. And we are going to come in, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio, and you just mix your paint, your water, and you mix that up, let it sit for a little bit, and then you're good to go. I am going to do 2 coats of this using my heat gun here to try to activate some chippiness and some texture into the piece. I didn't get too much chippiness, but I did get some texture on here. And then of course I'm going to come in with a second coat here and repeat that process. And I'm coming in and wet distressing here just to add a little bit more. And once again, coming in with some Dixie Grunge Gray to deepen up the layers, give it a little bit more grunginess. And put that on, wipe off the excess, and then come in with some DIY dark wax. Repeat that same process and layering up that dark wax, wiping off the excess. And then this project is complete. To shop these products, Fusion, IOD, Dixie Belle that I use on my page here, please use my affiliate link to Julie's Designs and Signs. All links will be in my description. Moving on to project number 3, mini pillows out of one vintage pillowcase. Now I thrifted this vintage pillowcase, and of course it is washed, cleaned, and everything. So I'm just folding it in half, and then I'm going to cut it in half here. Just coming in with my little rolling blade and my ruler or my flat ruler here, so I cut a straight line. I am not a professional sewer. This is probably my second time sewing something besides in high school, and that is years ago, you guys. So I thought I was going to keep these edges, but I went ahead and decided that I don't want the edges on here, so I cut those off, and I'm just coming in with the green pillowcase here. Now, after I got all the pieces cut off, I fold my pillowcase in half, and then we're going to start sewing. So I'm just going to sew on all 3 sides, giving me room, a lot of room to fill in my pillow stuffing here. Now, after you sew all 3 sides, you get this cute little pocket here. And now we're just pulling apart our stuffing, and we're going to go ahead and stuff that into our pillow here, creating just a small mini pillow, like a basket pillow, filler pillow. I'm going to sew the end closed, And then I found or have this vintage curtain that I'm actually going to use for the lace here. And I'm just cutting it to size. Now, if I thought about this before on my design, I could have just sewed this in, but I did not. So we're going to go ahead and use our fab tack glue here and come in and glue the sides of the pieces to secure that lace onto it. And then I'm going to roll up the bottom of the piece, running my bead of glue along the side and folding it back down. Now I do make a little edge on here, rolling the top to make it more a little seam on the top. But here I'm just coming in, adding a little bow and a little safety pin with some hanging vintage buttons. I add some greenery to my pocket, tack down my little tassels here of my ribbon, and our little pillow is complete. If you didn't know, I do have a business page that I hope you can follow me over there. I do Reels updates, and now I'm doing bonus videos over there as well. Let me know what you think of these projects. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY videos. And here are the finished looks. Let me know what you guys think of the finished projects. Give me a like, comment, share out to a friend. Please follow my business page over on Facebook. Don't forget, I am on Whatnot every Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for live auction sales. Catch me live every Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time over on my Facebook business page. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.